Hello, Rara. Is that a book you're reading?
Yes, I love books.
But that was a sad noise. What's wrong?
I feel sad because I finished this book. I wish I had another one to read.
Where did you get that book from, Rara?
From Topsy's library. Raa! That's it! Maybe I can borrow another book from Topsy. Come on, let's jungly jump to it! Hello, Topsy.
Hello, Rara.
I finished this book. Can I borrow another one, please?
Sorry, I'm in a bit of a hurry. Help yourself.
Where are you going?
I'm going to make everyone a brand new book about flowers for story time.
You're going to make a new book? How?
I've got some paper and crayons in here to draw jungle flowers. Then I'll tie the drawings together to make the pages of a book.
That sounds fun. Please, can I make a book too?
Yes. Come on.
Books are fun. Let's make two. One for me and one for you. Look, some yellow flowers.
They're perfect for my book.
What can I draw for my book? Hello, Buzzy Little Bee. Can I draw you for my book? I'll need a crayon. A yellow crayon for my yellow bee. Wait for me, Buzzy Bee.
What colour crayon do I need? A yellow one. Oh no! Rara took it. I can't draw the yellow flower without a yellow crayon. Rara, come back!
Now I can draw you.
Rara, there you are.
Look, Topsy, the first drawing for my book. What did you draw?
I haven't drawn anything. You took the yellow crayon so I couldn't draw my yellow flower.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry, we've got plenty of time left to finish both our books. Come on, let's find some more things to draw.
Books are fun.
Let's make two. One for me and one for you.
Books are fun.
Let's make two. One for me and one for you.
Hey, look! A red flower!
Perfect! I can draw it for my book. What are you going to draw, Rara?
I don't know yet. That sounds like Huffty's train. I could draw the train for my book. Which colour are you going to use? I don't want to take your crayon again.
Red.
Then I'll take the blue crayon.
Oh no! Rara's taken all the paper.
Hello, Huffty. Please can I draw your train for my book?
Of course you can, Rara.
There, I finished. Look.
Brilliant! All aboard! Huffa 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 huffa. Rara, you ran off with all the paper, so I couldn't start my book.
Oh, no. Sorry, Topsy.
I still haven't started my book yet. What if I don't finish it before story time?
It's okay. I'll help you find more flowers to draw. Come on! Books are fun. Let's make two. One for me and one for you.
Bye! See you at story time. beautiful pink flower I've ever seen.
Quick, draw it for your book. You'll need a pink crayon and some paper too.
Thank you. What are you two doing?
We're making books, Ooo Ooo. Can I draw you for mine?
Yes, but you'll have to catch me first.
Stay still!
Can't catch me! Can't catch me, Rara! Ooh, hooray! My drawing! It's ruined!
I'm so sorry, Topsy. Here, have some more paper and try again. Oh no! The paper is all gone!
No more paper. I can't make my book now. I'll have to go and tell everyone there's no new book for story time.
Rara, what's wrong?
Topsy wanted to make a new book for story time, but I ruined it.
How?
First, I ran off with her crayon. Then I ran off with all the paper. Then I ripped her drawing. Now there's no paper left.
What's that you're holding, Rara?
This is my book.
Is it finished?
Yes. It's a new book, isn't it? I just need to tie the pages together and I can give her this.
I can't wait for story time. Topsy promised us a new book.
Topsy, are you there? It's story time. Are you going to read to us?
I can't. I haven't got a new book like I promised.
You have got a new book. Look!
But that's your book.
I ruined your new book, so I want you to have mine instead.
Oh, thank you, Rara. Is everyone ready for story time?
Yes!
Hooray! Here's a buzzy bee. Buzz, 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 buzz. And here's Huffty's train. Huff, 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 toot, toot. And here's a funny monkey called Ooo Ooo. It's me!
Look, it's Ooo Ooo. I've got a name for the book. Rara's Book of Noises.
Hooray! I love that name and I love this book. Thank you, Rara.
Yes. Well done, Rara. Oh, hello, Rara. You're very happy.
Yes, I'm excited.
Why's that?
I'm going fishing with Crocky.
Oh, that does sound exciting.
Yes, I've never been fishing before. See you later.
Bye, Rara. Have fun.
Hello, Crocky.
The fish won't come if we make lots of noise. Sit very quiet, sit very still. We will catch something, yes we will.
Oh, right. I can do that.
You're frightening the fish away.
Sorry, Crocky. I'll try harder.
Remember, sit very quiet, sit very still.
We will catch something. Yes, we will. Got one! I've caught a fish!
Oh, quick, Rara! Reel it in!
This is hard!
I'll help you, Rara. Keep reeling the line in. Reel it in! Hello. What's happening? Hi, Topsy. Rara's caught a fish.
A really big one! As big as me!
Ooh. That's big.
I know, Zebby. Come on, Crocky. Reel it in!
Oh.
Where is it? Where is it?
Oh. Is that it? That's not a fish.
No, Huffty. It isn't.
It's just some reeds and a log. Don't worry, Rara. Maybe you'll catch one next time.
But I tried really hard. I sat very quiet and very still, but all I caught was a log and some reeds.
But you still caught something, Rara.
Yes, but I wanted to catch something for a fishing picnic.
Oh, sorry, Rara. We'll have to think of something else for our fishing picnic instead.
Oh.
What could we have? I know a different kind of fishing we can do. Surprise fishing!
Surprise fishing? That sounds fun. How do we do that?
It's like normal fishing, but everything you catch is a surprise.
Ooh!
But you can't do surprise fishing here.
Well, where can we do it then?
Follow me.
Are you sure this is the right place, Crocky? I can't see any water.
Yes, I'm sure. So, are you ready for Rara's surprise fishing? Yes, we're ready. This is going to be fun.
Crocky, where are you?
Coming, Rara. Okay, Rara, let's go surprise fishing.
Yay!
Sit very quiet, sit very still. We will catch something, yes, we will.
Hey! I caught something!
Reel it in, reel it in.
Reel it in! Huh? Bananas?
Surprise!
I didn't think you could catch bananas on a fishing rod.
You can when you're surprise fishing. What else can you catch? Quick, Huffty. Sit very quiet, sit very still. We will catch something, yes we will.
I've caught something else. This one's heavy. Reel it in. Raa! A pineapple. I love surprise fishing. What next?
Careful, Topsy. We don't want them to get squashed. Sit very quiet, sit very still. We will catch something, yes we will. All done.
Reel it in. Hey! A tablecloth. And sandwiches too. This is my best fishing trip ever.
Mine too, Rara.
Come on, let's go and share our surprise catch with the others.
Did you catch any fish for dinner, Rara?
No.
Oh dear. Are you sad?
No. I didn't catch any fish, but I did catch a whole picnic for everyone to enjoy.
Well done, Rara.
Raa!
Surprising things really do happen in the Jingly Jangly Jungle. See you soon. Bye. Can you see Rara? Oh, look. Here he is. Hello, Rara. Are you going somewhere?
I'm going to help Topsy and Huffty get ready for a game of musical stones.
That sounds like fun.
It is fun! To the Cubby Buggy!
That's good. And the next one, please.
Bonk, bonk, bonk. Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle.
Oh,
I haven't heard a stone make that noise before.
it's not a stone, Rara.
Oh,
It's Topsy. Oh.
what happened, Topsy?
I banged my toe. Is it okay? Yes, I think it's fine.
Maybe there's something in one of your books about making poorly toes better.
It's okay, Rara. I'm fine.
The Big Book of Making People Better. Let's see. A bandage. You need a bandage.
I don't think she does, Rara.
There. I have made your poorly toe better.
I'm sure you are a very good doctor, Rara.
A good doctor. Thank you, Topsy. What's a doctor?
A doctor is someone who makes you better when you are poorly.
Oh.
But I don't need a doctor.
Wow! That's me, Dr. Rara. Can I use your bandages, Topsy? Dr. Rara is going to make everyone better today. Rara, Rara, Rara.
I don't think Rara was listening to you, Topsy.
Rara, 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 Rara.
Where are you going, Rara?
I'm not Rara. I'm Dr. Rara. And this is my emergency cubby buggy.
Oh, sorry, Dr. Rara. Where are you going in your emergency cubby buggy?
Dr. Rara is going to make everyone better today.
Oh dear, is everyone poorly?
I don't know, but if they are, Dr. Rara can help. Bye! Rara, Rara, here comes Dr. Rara. Oh, 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 oh! Whee! Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh! Woohoo! Oh no! Ooo Oo's hurt himself. Dr. Rara is on his way. Rara, Rara. Don't worry, Ooo Oooo. Dr. Rara is here. I can make your legs feel better.
What? I'm fine.
Ta-da!
Rara, I'm fine.
Have you been busy, Dr. Rara?
Yes! I made Ooo Oooo better.
Poor Ooo Ooo. What was wrong? Did he tell you?
No, but Dr. Rara made him better.
I see. And where are you going now?
To help some more friends. Bye!
My teeth are extra shiny and clean today.
Uh-oh! Crocky is rubbing his tooth. It must be poorly. This is a job for Dr. Rara. Rara, Rara.
Hi, Rara.
Don't talk. Let me make your poorly tooth feel better.
Huh?
Ta-da!
But Rara, my tooth is fine. I don't need a bandage, thank you.
No need to thank me. Dr. Rara loves to make people better.
But Rara, I'm fine. I can't wait to play musical stones later.
Uh-oh, Zebby's hurt her hand. This is a job for Dr. Rara. Rara, Rara, Rara.
Hi, Rara.
Don't worry, Zebby. I'll soon make your hands better. Ta-da!
Thanks, Rara.
But no need to thank me. Dr. Rara is here to help.
But there's nothing wrong with my hands. I'm fine.
Are you enjoying being a doctor, Dr. Rara?
Yes, I helped Ooo Ooo and Crocky and Zebby.
Oh, what was wrong with them? Did they tell you?
No. But Dr. Rara could see they were poorly.
It's lucky they had Dr. Rara to help.
Yes, I'm a very good doctor. Topsy said. It's time for musical stones. See you later.
Bye, Rara.
How's your poorly toe, Topsy?
It's fine, thank you.
What about you, Crocky?
Rara, my tooth wasn't poorly. I was just brushing my teeth. And my legs weren't poorly either. I was just having fun on the slide. And I didn't hurt my hands, Rara. I was practicing for musical stones.
So, you mean you didn't need Dr. Rara?
Sorry, Rara, but we did try to tell you.
Oh, I'm not a very good doctor after all. I didn't listen. I'm sorry.
But I do need a doctor to take my bandages off. Could you help me, Dr. Rara? And me?
Yes, Dr. Rara can help.
Oof. Ow! Oh.
Dr. Rara, can you do anything for a sore trunk? Well, I could put a bandage on it, if you want me to. Yes, please. Thank you, Dr. Rara.
Well done, Rara. You listened to what Huffty said and you helped him. Topsy was right. You are a good doctor.
Thank you. I liked being a doctor, but now I think it's time to play Musical Stone.
Hooray!